If you need digital accessibility assistance, submit a request at drcog.org/access or call 303-455-1000. Please expect a response within 72 hours or 3 business days. Patrick Goff has served as the city manager of the City of Wheatridge since 2009 and has worked for the city since 2002. His long and illustrious career in local government began as an intern for the City of Westminster. As a testament to his leadership skills and professionalism, he's enjoyed exceptional success as well as notable longevity as city manager. Patrick's priorities include economic development, water management, street maintenance, and the application of artificial intelligence in government. Among his many accomplishments, Patrick has assisted in bringing additional retail opportunities to the community, building out the parks and recreation programming, and he's always strived to maintain the city's small-town feeling residents love. During Wheatridge's recent strategic planning period, Patrick guided efforts to update the city's 15-year comprehensive plan, revise the Parks and Recreation Master Plan, conduct a stormwater analysis, and refresh the city's economic development strategy. Wheatridge is a thriving community with a city council that epitomizes respect, collaboration, and cohesiveness, largely due to Patrick's skilled leadership. Thank you, Patrick, and congratulations on your Distinguished Service Award.